The Aprilia RS660 2021.
Perfect.
Yup, this bike is perfect. Acid gold, red rims. This bike is a beauty. Coming from the heavens above, it's like God dropped this motorcycle on this earth to be better than everything else. Yup, this bike is perfect. You can ride it on the track, you can ride it on the mountains, you can ride it on the street. Perfect. Wait. What is that? What is that? I guess this bike isn't perfect after all. Alright guys, let's talk about it. What is going on, my fast friends? Now that we are done with all that cinematic drama, we are going to move on to the most annoying thing that I have realized on the Aprilia RS660. And of course that is going to be the heel guard. I did all of that for a heel guard, for a swing arm heel guard.
What the fuck?
Now, I had originally placed this lovely RNG heel guard, but as you can see, it doesn't hold up well and it's already coming off. So that's that. If you are an Aprilia owner, you know that the RS660 does not come with a swing arm heel guard. The 210 does, but not the RS660. Why? Don't ask me. I do not know. It is a $13 improvement that they can put on this bike, and for some reason Aprilia decided they were gonna skip out on it and put on this weird clear plastic on the swing arm that when your boot, if you are using riding boots or any type of boots, your heel hits it continuously and leaves this really weird black mark on it, and then the tape ruffles up and it doesn't stay as clean as you would like it to be. So I went ahead and got this RNG swing arm heel guard, and it cost me about $36, not including shipping. So it's pretty pricey for a simple upgrade, taking off the clear plastic and all of that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and place a picture of the RS660 right here and kind of show you where the clear plastic is. That is a big annoyance to me when it gets dirty, because it's not easy to clean. And so the picture should be here. I'll circle that little area on the swing arm that gets real dirty and doesn't have that black piece that the 210 does. I went ahead and ordered the RNG heel guard, and it cost about $36. It's a lot of money for just a small upgrade, but I didn't like it. As you can see, it was coming off, and it was too much on the swing arm, and it didn't look like it belonged. Now I went ahead and ordered the 210 660 heel guard, which should be able to work with the RS660. So this is it right here. It has the same matte finish as the motorcycle has in certain parts of its fairings. So there you go. That's supposed to fit on the swing arm. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and lower down the camera. We're gonna take off these RNG guards, and then we're gonna go ahead and see how we can put these on.
Perfect.
I swear guys, if you don't have Goo Gun in your garage, you need to get some. These are the most helpful thing that you can have in the garage. So as you can see, I'm just twisting this in until it's solid in there. And then I can bring in my tool. And place the 3M tape onto the swing arm. All right, so that's pretty solid right there. I am gonna show you guys. So this clip, there's a clip that goes back here. Right back here. So you have to pull up that clip and then bring this heel guard brace down, and then the clip fits in between the actual heel guard mount. So it'll hold this wires to your brakes. I'm guessing one of these are ABS. And there you go. The adhesive sticks right here. These two clip right there. And now you have a cleaner RS660 swing arm heel guard. Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for the install of the day. Helping me with the RS660 swing arm heel guard, one of the most annoying things in my opinion about the RS660. I want to thank you for spending a little bit of your time with your boy Moto-R. You could have been doing anything in this entire world, and you chose to spend a few of those minutes with your boy. See you on the next one, guys. Peace.